Okay, I'm back again, and this time I have how we're going to set up the Strat for TradingView, and also some dope tools that you can use on this platform for the Strat. Okay, so if you haven't had a chance already, please like and subscribe, and let's get to it. So if you have seen my previous video for Thinkorswim, we had to add quite a few to the charts to get the Strat. You don't have to do that here in TradingView. I'm going to show you really quickly. So we're going to go to our indicators and type the Strat, and you want the Strat Teach V2 by Ngami 7. And then, of course, we're going to always look at the 50% rule. You want this SSS 50 status by Wolf and Bear. Oops, I did not mean to do that twice. But you're definitely looking for it to give you this check mark to let you know that it did show up. Why did this come on here twice? I double clicked somehow. And boom. So you now have it set up for the Strat. What you have here is you have your numbers. You have your 50% triggers where it'll tell you that it's on standby if it's active or if it's finished. It'll say it's a failed 2 up. It says the 50% trigger is at 134.94, right? And then it would tell you once it triggered that the target is 132.85. Let's see if I can find one on the month that has already triggered. Let's see, KR did. Yep, there we go. So KR triggered on the month at 47.68, and so the target is 45.62. So it is showing you that here. And then the Strat Teach V2 shows you a whole lot. It basically gives you the time frame continuity here, whether or not there's an actionable signal on that time frame, and what the ATR is for that time frame. Or actually the daily ATR, let me say. And so that is the basics of what you can use. Are these my lines? These must be my lines. The basics of what you can use for the Strat with TradingView. Now, here are some extras that you can add that are just absolutely dope. And keep in mind, I just clicked that over here. You can always save your layout and name them different things, and you'll be able to load them however many is based on your plan, based on like whatever different indicators you want, that type of thing, settings, all of that. Okay, so other indicators to add is you're going to want the sector performance. Sector performance is a really dope tool, again, brought to my attention by Ray. I'm just going to show you really quickly. It kind of shows you what is going on in all of these sectors. So you can kind of see where the money is at or where it's leaving. Where are they selling? Where are they buying? It's awesome tool right here. Awesome tool. Another one, and again, remember however many indicators you do have, but these are really good things to have on your chart to complement the Strat. The parabolic SAR we talk about a lot. Volume, I always talk about volume. If you are familiar with the visible range volume profile, you can do that, but you need at least one type of volume on your chart to let you know where people are buying, or if people are buying, is there gas? And this volume can go right at the bottom of your chart, just like that. Okay. The TTM Squeeze Pro, we'll go into that in a little bit. I believe that is it as far as strats. Oh, you could do the mobile bands, and that's really it for basic Strat. There are other advanced strategies that you can use, but we want to keep it, we're trying to keep it basic for the terms of just setting it up. Okay, so we have our volume here. We see, you know, if people are buying, if it's a low volume day, that type of thing. We have our TTM squeeze. If you know how to use this method, you can add that there. And then we have our mobile bands. You will have watched my video to understand how that works. So those are additions that you can add to TradingView. And then keep in mind there are other strategies with the Strat that you can use in things like Fibonacci bands, extensions, the visible range volume profile, where it shows you during the day what people are doing. Some of these ICT strategies, those it's a lot of different things that you can use to really aid you on your charts. I like the go no go trend. As a beginner stratter, I would not suggest this, but it is the basic one is a really good indicator of who is in control, and it gives you these signals to tell you it's a no-go. It's a no-go. They're selling it. It's a go. They're buying it. Okay, so hopefully that helped. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.